Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and happy weekend to you all. Today's recipe is native rice. Please watch till the end and also help me to share. In my pot, I'm going to add palm oil, also known as red oil. I'm going to let it heat a little and then add my onions. I'm going to let my onions fry for some seconds and thereafter add my mackerel fish and my dried fish. I boiled the mackerel fish before adding it. So I also added my mixed pepper, that's my scotch bonnet pepper, onions and red bell pepper with crayfish. So I'm going to cover to let cook. After letting it cook a little, I'm going to open it and then add my seasoning. I'm going to also add some bouillon powder and some salt. I'm going to stir carefully and then add my rice. This is 3 cups of rice that I use. You can use less or more, depends on the ingredients, like on the stuff that you're using. So I'm going to stir the rice a little and then let it cook. After letting it cook a little, I added my momo, which I've already cooked. As you can see, the rice is properly not dried, so I'm going to stir a little and then cover to let cook, like to let dried. Okay, as you can see, the rice is cooked already, like it is okay how I want it. I just want the water to be dry. So I added 1 egg to it because I like to eat egg in my jollof. So as you can see, my rice is ready, guys. That's how I prepare this delicious native rice you are seeing here. I'm going to dish out mine and eat. Thank you so much for watching from the start till the end. Please help me to share, comment, like, and also follow me on all my social media platforms with the name Mama Triple N. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.